Okay, so for my how-to video today, I'm going to show you how to put captions in your videos. It's really useful for people that enjoy reading subtitles or anything like that. Also, the way I'm showing you, you can also take this on and off when you finally publish your video so that they don't just stay on there for people who don't like them. So first, we're going to start by importing some media. Go in here. I'll just choose a random file out of here and wait for it to import. Okay. Take the media and put it into your timeline right here. And the next thing you're going to want to do is hit this new item button. Sometimes this button is unable to be seen, and that might be because your panel is kind of smushed to the side over here. So if you don't see it over there, just widen it out until you do. It's always going to be right there. So you click new item, go to captions, and standard. It's already in open captions for me, but by default, it'll be in CEA 608 for y'all. There's also CEA 708, Telnet, open subtitling. I'll show you an open caption. Just pick open captions and click OK. A black text box will appear in your panel right here, and we're going to go ahead and drag that over to the media. So you can widen this out as much as you want, as long as the video you have for your subtitling. Keep it right there. And then you'll see type captions text here. If you don't see this, it's probably because if you hit this wrench right here and go to close caption display, this isn't enabled. So make sure you go over there and hit enabled so you'll be able to see it. Next thing you're going to want to do is double click inside of that box, and right here is where you can type out whatever you want for your subtitling. If you have a Word document or something else that you're getting your text off of, you can easily copy and paste it right here. I would suggest not using a whole paragraph worth of words because it's not all going to show up on here. It's going to look really disturbing all over your page. So about a sentence and a half, depending on the size that you have. And I'll just leave this text here. Right here, the size, you can change it as big as you want. So 85 or as small as you want, back to 33. I usually keep it somewhere around like 60, 54, 58 range. That looks nice. People have bad eyes, you know. Next thing you want to do is where you want to place the text. So right here, you can make it to your bottom left, your middle left, your top left, all the way around the page really. But for now, we're just going to keep it in the bottom middle. So as you can see, there's a lot of space right here. This is probably going to interfere with whatever video or whatever you're trying to show. So by default, it won't let you go any lower than that. So what you want to do is go to the effects controls, double click inside of there, and go to positioning. And here on the scale, you'll be able to, if you scroll it to the right, you'll be able to fix that. So 656 is a little much, or it's going to hang off. 642 is fine for me. And that's how you lower or higher it depending on where you put it with this little thing over here. So the next thing you can do is you can change the font. It has all your basic fonts. If you ever use a Word document, it's all the same fonts in here, plus some more if you decide to import them. You can make the words bold, italicized, narrow, bold, all that good stuff right there. You can even change the color of the text if you go right here. Now it's going to say for me. Change the color of the text if you do this right there first. And then click in. Let's say I want to make it red, burgundy, whatever the color is. Right there, and you'll see that the color has changed on it right there. So right here where it says in, that's going to tell you where you started your subtitles at, and out is going to be where it ends at. If you just click on it, you can always just widen that by going to the right, and you'll see it adjust right here. You can also just click inside that box and widen it out as much as you want. Let me keep it about right here and there. So this subtitling is going to stay on the screen for 8.19 seconds. If you want to add another text box, another caption, go ahead and hit that plus, and then just type in whatever you want. I just typed in some random letters. Go to out where you're going to want it to end because it'll automatically pick up where your last subtitles ended. And you'll see it's widened out right here a little bit more. And boom, there it is. So we go over right there. It's popped up. And that's really all there is to it. It's a very simple function to use, but I think it's very necessary when creating media, because there's a lot of people that like to read subtitles. So I'd like to thank you for watching my how-to video. Hope you guys have a great day.